Welcome to 906 Quilting. See, you want to make your first quilt, but every time you start, that little voice inside says, it's too complicated, you'll mess up. I am going to walk you through your very first quilt, start to finish, and I promise you, it's not as hard as you think. Now, before we touch a single piece of fabric, I want you to take a breath. We're going to break this down into 5 simple steps. Your supplies, cutting, piecing, making your quilt sandwich, and finishing. That's it, 5 steps. And here's my one rule for you. Take your time, enjoy the process, and that's the key to being successful. So we're going to do the first thing first, and that's gather our supplies. Now, don't go out and buy everything in the store. You really need a whole lot less than you think you do. One thing you need, cotton fabric. I like to, let's get it straightened out here. I like to grab beginner-friendly pre-cuts, like this set of 10-inch squares, so you don't even have that much to cut in the beginning. Then you need batting. Batting is that fluffy layer that goes in the middle. And you need backing. Backing is for the back of your quilt. A rotary cutter is next. A ruler so that you can make straight cuts. And a cutting mat, which mine is right under here. There we go. That's really all the stuff you need. Oh, and thread. You also need a sewing machine. Just a regular domestic sewing machine will work, nothing fancy. Now, here's a little secret. Start with good cotton, not the cheap stuff. Okay? Quality fabric is more forgiving and your stitches will turn out so much nicer. You're going to see how that matters. Okay, here we go to the fun part. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to cut safely. The rotary cutter is basically a round razor blade. It's very sharp. Don't ask me how I know that. Okay. The first thing I want you to know is we always want to cut away from your body and close that blade the second you are done or before you set it down each time. Make that a habit. Safety first and always. I'm going to keep this simple. We're going to make a square patchwork top. So we need our squares all the same size. Line up your fabric with your ruler. I have a 10-inch square of fabric, which is called a layer cake. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up the outer edge at my 5-inch mark. I also want to make sure that the top and the bottom are lined up as well. So now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to cut this away from us. I have 3 layers of fabric here. I like to move it aside before I take my ruler off in case that cut didn't go through cleanly. If you're nervous about cutting straight, go ahead and practice on some scrap paper first. You know, you can use paper, you can use scrap fabric. Paper is cheap. Fabric, it's not so cheap. So go ahead and play with it before you commit to it. Here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just turn these pieces of fabric around. Again, I'm going to line up my fabric with the cut. What you're going to see is it's going to be off just a little bit because it is a pre-cut and they have these pinked edges on them. So what you can do is come here, line up your fabric, make sure that you're at that 5-inch mark, and just trim those edges off. It makes it for so much easier when you start putting your pieces together. So here we go. Again, what I like to do is line up on my ruler. You're going to notice we have some overhang on both the right side and on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to trim those off, lining up my top, my left side, and the bottom of my squares. And there we go. We have perfectly cut squares to start with. Exciting. Our first process is finished. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to kind of lay your blocks out in a pattern that looks pleasing to you. I like the way things look here, so this is the way that I'm going to put my quilt together. Join me next week when we continue our 5 steps to your first quilt. We will piece, then we will sandwich the quilt, and the following week we're going to finish the quilt and show you how to bind it. So until we meet again, let's quilt.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit that bell. New videos from 906 Quilting.